Man, I'm usually in the driver's seat when I do this, and I can balance the phone on the steering wheel. Oh well. Hey y'all, I'm parked. It's fine. Nobody's driving. It's all good. Let's talk about your real estate investing plan. I'm pretty sure your real estate investment plan, your real estate investing plan. Let's talk about it, because I've said this several times, and it's not just me that says this. Lots of people will tell you the truth about real estate if you just ask. There's thousands of ways to make money in real estate, and I want to know what you're playing. Are you going to be a buy and hold investor? Are you going to go to auctions and buy land? Are you going to house hack? So you buy a house, you work on it a little bit, you sell it for more, you make money, you reinvest it, you keep moving and growing and doing deals like that? Is that going to be your plan? Or are you going to, get a really good job and then buy apartment complexes? Or I'm sitting in the middle of an office complex right now, and I was just thinking to myself, my gosh, I wonder how much money this thing brings in every month. And it's 4-sided brick buildings, metal roofs, and all of the tenants have their own responsibility for doing their interior maintenance. The landlord's in charge of the exterior maintenance here, and there can't be that much to do because it's a little bit of landscaping. Could use a little bit of paint. But it's like a really good investment plan, a really good real estate investing plan. And, sometimes when I talk to new investors, I talk to newbies, that's part of the problem. Whitney, there's so many ways to make money. What am I supposed to do first? Okay, I get it. And one thing I like to remind new investors is you don't have to do all 1,000 ways. And some of the ways to make money in real estate are great and amazing, and you can do those later. Like when I started investing, I used my entire life savings. When a friend of mine, April Crosley, started investing, she used other people's life savings to get started. She started working with private money lenders, and it took her 2 years to convince me that I could be a private money lender. So I was like 7 years into real estate investing before I started loaning money. But it's a great way to make money in real estate investing. If you're sitting on a ton of cash, maybe you start as a private money lender. There's lots of ways to make money in real estate investing, and I think sometimes that is the hardest part, especially for newbies, because they want to do it all. Yes, I hear you. I also spend a lot of time talking to women who want to be real estate investors, and the analogy I tell them is when you get pregnant, you don't start planning which car you're going to buy that kid when they're 16, right? I mean, maybe you do a little bit. Maybe you plan on telling them that this is going to be their car in 16 years, But there's so many other things, so many other life things. There's so many other lessons that you got to learn before you get to that place. And it's okay. You're going to get there. You just got to go through it step by step by step. You got to go through it deal by deal by deal. You got to go through it lesson by lesson by lesson. And that's going to take a minute. And a lot of ladies start in real estate investing and they do a wholesale deal, or they do a lease option deal, or they get some owner financing deals, and they get a lot of success really, really fast. And then they think, okay, I'm going to do this and I'm going to do that. And then maybe the ball stops rolling as fast. Maybe that strategy is a little bit more difficult than they thought it was going to be. Maybe this was a little bit more difficult. Maybe they had a lot of beginner's luck, but how do they make that sustainable? I help women with all those things. I help women get monthly money on autopilot. I help women get big non-refundable option fees, big wholesale fees. I help them keep their head in the game when they see other people having a ton of success and maybe they're not having as much as they were or did have. I help them stay focused especially when people, sometimes their friends and sometimes their family, starts giving them a little bit of mouthing back. And I remind them why they got into real estate investing, why they wanted to do these deals, why they wanted to be a lady landlord. And I remind them that all of these deals are totally doable. Let's get your starter portfolio going. Let's get your starter deals going. Let's help you make some money while you're learning the ropes. And let's keep you surrounded by people that are going to keep you motivated. I'll tell you, I got 15 houses, I've got 19 apartment units, and I'm still learning lots of lessons on my starter portfolio. I make really good money on my starter portfolio. I got lots of great auto money coming into the bank account every single month. And I got a little bored with that, so I started coaching. Then I started a dump truck company. Then I bought the Knox RIA so that I don't get bored. There's lots of things going on. Lots of things going on. But one day, I want you to experience that too. Yeah, there's lots of things going on all the time with everybody. But you can still get your money on autopilot. You can still get your starter portfolio paying for your lifestyle. And this is my starter portfolio. I am 7 years in to real estate investing. In another 10 years, I'll have a different portfolio. In 20 years, I will have a totally different portfolio. But in order for you to get to your dream investment strategy, your total end goal plan, you got to get started. You got to have that starter portfolio. You got to go through some big deals, some small deals, some amazing deals, some tough deals. You got to get going through all of those if you're ever going to make it to your end. If y'all have any questions, let me know. But tell me down in the comments, what is your strategy? What is your strategy right now? What is your goal strategy? What does your perfect portfolio look like? What does your starter portfolio look like? It's all good. If you're looking for somebody to help you, let me know. We're doing a live event in Knoxville next week to help you get going. Let me know if you have any questions, or go to fddfplus.com, fill out the application, hop on a call with me, and we'll get you into the FDDF flock. All right, y'all. Have a fantastic day.